Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Binary Queen. Today's video is about candlestick psychology and I will tell you some secrets of candles. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, understanding candlestick psychology will transform the way you see the markets. By the end of this video, you will be able to decode the hidden message behind every move. So grab your notes and let's unlock the secrets of candlestick psychology. This video will be part 1 where I will explain the difference between candles. Part 2, I will cover live trading. If you are new to my channel, join my Telegram channel. The link is mentioned, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. So now let's get started. So guys, if you want to understand the reason behind every candle, you have to start from the basic. For example, here I have taken two candles. One is green and one is red. So a lot of you must have known about what is the difference between red and a green, but still I will be explaining why a candle is green and why a candle is red. So this is a very basic concept. Okay, this is a green candle. So why this candle is green? Because the opening of the candle starts from the bottom. You see the bottom, this is the opening of the candle. Okay, so the candle opened at the bottom, went all the way up and closed at the top. That means price increased, which is why this candle is green. Okay, this is the closing, correct, and the opening is at the bottom. This is the only reason why the candle is green. Okay, this is very simple, very common. Even a small kid understand this. You have to always keep that in mind. And also in a red candle, the opening is always at the top, and you see the top, it's opened at the top and went all the way down, closed there, and that is the closing. Because of the opening and closing of one single candle, the color is red and green. It is that easy, that simple. Okay, this is bullish and that is bearish. This is all you have to know, the difference between red and green candle. Okay, so now let's move on to our next candlestick psychology. So there are how many candles? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 different green candles. Each candle represent different psychology. Okay, red and green, red and green. Green is bullish, red is bearish. Okay, I understand that. All of you understand that. But why your trades are in loss? Because you don't know the basic psychology behind each candle. So now I'm going to explain. Okay, here the bullish candle. These are all green candle. All the candles are bullish, but they hold different meaning to each other. Okay, in live trading, these all candlestick matters to every trade, whether it is trending, whether it is ranging. Okay, for example, here you see this candle. Ignore the first candle which just I explained. The second candle, this is the bullish tailless candle. Why this is a bullish tailless candle? Because there is no lower wick. Okay, if there is no lower wick, that means this is a bullish tailless candle. In a green candle, the head is always at the top and the tail is always at the bottom. Okay, here this is a bullish headless candle. Why? Because it doesn't have upper wick and it has only lower wick. This is called bullish headless candle. Okay, I will tell you the importance of each and every candles, but for now you have to understand this. Okay, this is the bullish headless candle because it doesn't have any upper wick. Even if there's a small upper wick, it doesn't really matter. We can consider that headless, tailless, doesn't really matter. But here, just know the psychology. Okay, tailless, correct, and the opening, this is the opening of bullish tailless candle, went all the way up to the tip of the wick, right, and then from here went down and closed. You see that? This is the psychology of bullish tailless candle. And most of the trader, what they do is they think that the wick is the rejection from the buyers and that is the selling pressure. No guys, that is not selling pressure. Both buyers and sellers are there in the wick. Okay, that is the closing price, right? Sorry about that. That is the closing price of that bullish candle. But this wick, this particular wick, right, it is not selling pressure. Okay, this particular wick, you see the bullish headless candle, This is not buying pressure. The wick contains both sellers and buyers in that wick. So we don't know if it is only buyers or sellers, how much of volume we have in that candle, but without any confirmation we cannot take any trade. Okay, so understand the psychology of that candle. Open, went all the way down and closed at the top, which is why this is bullish. There is no upper wick, you see that? So this is bullish headless candle. And after this there comes the next type of candle, that is spinning top. Okay, this is spinning top candle. Why this is called spinning top? Because if you see the body of the candle and the wicks are in equal size. You see the other candle and this candle, this is like a spinning top. You know how spinning tops generally are. So spinning top candles are generally equal wicks on both sides, and the body of the candle doesn't really matter. It can be small, it can be big, doesn't really matter, but what matters is the wick, the size of the wick. If there is equal size wicks on the both size of the body, then we can consider that as a spinning top. And in a trendy market, spinning top usually refers to continuation of the trend, but in ranging markets, spinning top can reverse the market. The same candle can do two different things. Okay, similarly, hammers. This is inverted hammer. Why this is inverted hammer? Because it is inverted. You see the wick is on the upper side, and if you see the wick is 2x, twice the size of the body of the candle. If you see twice the size of the body of the candle, that is hammer. Okay, hammer is very tricky candle. It refers indecision of the market. Okay, this is inverted hammer and a normal hammer, same kind of hammer, but the wick is in the lower side. Wick size needs to be twice the size of the body of the candle, and it is opposite of inverted hammer. Okay, if you see here, I'm drawing one candle, looks bullish to me, but if it has twice the size of the wick, this is also hammer. Okay, this is not bullish, this is also hammer. Difference between bullish headless candle, tailless candle and a hammer. But this, okay, you have to understand these candlestick psychology. Okay, this is the secret of winning every trade. Okay, and that is the abnormal hammer. Why this is abnormal hammer? Because the wick size is 3x 4x. If the wick size is more than 2x, then that is abnormal hammer, and you have to stay away from those kind of candles. Don't take any trade if you see a lot of wicks in the candles. That is why I'm always telling you, pay attention to the candlestick. Candlestick psychology is everything, guys. So now you can take a screenshot of this particular chart from this video and memorize this, put that in the back of your head, and in next video we will be taking live trades. Okay, if I say bullish tailless, bullish headless, spinning top, inverted hammer, at that time you have to know, okay, I am telling you this. You have to understand this. Okay, so now let's go to our next candlestick psychology, that is bearish. Okay, same concept, everything is same. Okay, whatever I explained in green, but what the difference is, the opening and closing of a bearish candlestick psychology. The opening and closing is opposite. Okay, in bullish the opening is at the bottom, closing is at the top, but in bearish the opening is at the top and closing is at the bottom. Okay, this is the major difference in bearish candlestick psychology. Also in bearish candlestick psychology, the headless candle and a tailless candle is opposite. Okay, let me explain you that. So this is a bearish headless candle because the head of a red candle is always at the bottom. Okay, see the opening, this is the closing. Just like how the opening and closing is different, the head and the tail of a bearish and a bullish candle is opposite, guys. Okay, opened at the top, went all the way up and closed at the bottom. You see that? So this only has upper wick. Similarly, the bearish tailless candle open at the top, you see that, went all the way down, and pushed, closed at this level. So this is bearish tailless candle. Why? Because you see the difference. This is right opposite to what I said, what I explained with the green candle. Okay, a red candle head is always at the bottom and tail is always at the top. Okay, and spinning top, hammer, inverted hammer, same psychology, just the opening and closing of the candle is different in bearish situation. Okay, even the abnormal hammer, same, but the opening and the closing price determine the color of the candle and the strength of the candle. Okay, this is a normal hammer, that is the inverted hammer, spinning top, same as bullish. But why this is red and why that is green? Because of the opening and closing of the candle. Okay, so similarly you can take screenshot of this bearish candlestick psychology, and now I'll explain you the difference between headless, tailless of both bearish and bullish situation, because this is where most of the traders get trapped. This is where most of the traders are confused and they lose most of their trades. Okay, let's start here. Bullish tailless candle, because in bullish candlestick the tail is always at the bottom and the head is always at the top. This is the second strongest candle in bullish trend. Okay, and bullish headless candle is a little bit weak compared to the tailless candle, and that is opposite with the bearish situation, guys. All this time you guys were doing wrong. Everything, whatever you have learned is wrong. Okay, bearish headless candle, this is why, because it doesn't have lower wick. Lower wick is the head of a bearish candle. Okay, and the upper wick is tail. Understood? This is opposite with the bullish situation. So which one is more stronger here? In red candle, the bearish tailless is more stronger, and in bullish, the bullish tailless is more stronger comparatively in any trend. Okay, you can take this screenshot, and if there is confusion, you can ask me anytime, anything. I'll be happy to help. But just remember that this candle is stronger than the bearish headless candle. Bearish tailless candle is always stronger than the bearish headless candle in a bearish trend, and bullish tailless candle is always stronger than bullish headless candle. Okay, the difference between ranging, trending, and stack market, it works differently, which I'll be explaining more, but these are the basic concept of candlestick psychology. And please make a note of every candlestick I've explained. If you, in this bullish situation, if the wick size is 2x time longer, then that would be hammer. Okay, so please make a note, and if there's any confusion, I'm happy to help. Comment me down below. And also, if you want to join my VIP channel, you can join it. I have a VIP group as well where I provide daily short signals, and you have to create a Quotex account through my link. Minimum deposit is only $20, and send me a trader ID. With this, I'm signing out for today. I'll come back with another part 2 video. Till then, happy trading, guys.